Shenanigans ADV Gourmet here, and today, oof, it's gonna be mixed emotions for me. I'll tell you the truth. I'm getting a haircut, but I don't know if I want to. That's the thing. It's kind of crazy. I've been growing my hair for the past, I don't know, 2 years or so. One of my neighbors, gotta wave, you know, gotta be neighborly. But yeah, I'm 49 years old, and I can still grow my hair. So one of those things for me was not cutting my hair. First time I've ever had my hair long, and you know, I think today is the day to get it cut. Let's get into it. No, I don't need a towel. Maybe a tissue so I can cry. I don't know many dudes that cry over their hair. Maybe in the military. Maybe in the military. But you know how it is.
Oh, yeah.
All right, here it goes. Down all around.
You might want to. Oh, you already wiped your sweat off. You sure you don't want a towel?
You know,
on video.
maybe. Wait. What do you mean funny?
You're gonna take your glasses off.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, it's all good. You can do that. You know,
We're praying for them that we cut
You
it.
wanna go get your warm towel? Wrap around your neck.
Do you need clips?
What'd you say? I said he is getting old. It probably will never grow back again.
thanks for that confidence. It's just grayer.
That's good.
All right.
Getting old, it probably never grow back again. I'm gonna tuck that. Oh, look at the clip she's using.
Here, just put this over my face.
You might need it for.
Might need it for DNA one day.
No, you might need it for your guitar string.
Guitar
Ready?
string.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Here we go, folks.
Ready?
Here we go, folks.
Hey, don't move, Train.
It'll move the hair. She can't have that.
There it goes. Sayonara hair.
See you later.
We're gonna give him a South Carolina moment.
Go get the bowl. Let's just do it right.
I feel like you should do the circle cut.
Let's think about that. No.
At least it'll be short, but it won't be like really short.
Hey, all you ADD hooligans.
Yeah, this is a 6 beer.
What's
Say
the
hi,
name?
crowd.
Hi, crowd.
Hi, crowd.
They actually said hi, crowd.
Hope y'all make it through the Smoky Mountain 500.
Ooh wee. Y'all don't know about that yet. We getting ready to go there.
In the green machine.
That's right. We got surprises for you. Next adventure. SM 500, baby. My hairstylist came in from Nashville this weekend to do my hair. Isn't that right, Destiny? Nashville bound.
Whew. I'm sweating.
Get sweaty.
Look at all that.
I know. It's like so different. I haven't seen your hair like that in so long.
I haven't seen it yet. I don't know if I want to.
Yeah, you look younger.
Do I? Look younger? That's always a good thing.
We met Cindy.
I look 12.
Look at that difference.
They got the
We can give you the
You
theory.
should just go look at your hair right now.
Oh my god. Do you want me to go get a mirror? You look
I
like,
have a mirror. I just threw it in the
you
trash.
look like the kids that I
Get
used
it.
to hang out with in school. We shaved our sides.
Yeah.
You could pony that up.
Pony it up, baby.
Well, I think you should cut it. She needs to pony it and then just cut it.
All right.
And then just leave it like that.
All right. So let's do this.
Do you want your door shut in your Jeep? I mean, like, are the lights on?
Look, you could have a man bun.
No.
Okay, do you want me to cut this into a ponytail?
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
Does someone have a hair tie?
Can do
Yeah. Let's do
Do
that.
you have a hair tie?
what? Do what? I'm gonna cut the top off it.
I need
you need
a
a
hair
pony?
tie.
Okay, let me go get one.
You guys want to look at yourself?
Hold on.
No, no,
You don't want the top really.
no.
Okay.
No, I don't. I want the top.
Or you can comb it back.
Yeah, it can't be spiky. Like it can't be like
You wanna comb
stick
it
up.
back?
I want to be able to comb. I want it shorter on the back. I want my bangs a little bit longer, so I can push up my bangs. And normally I push my hair forward, and then I push my bangs up.
I know, I'm wondering if you're
You're right. No, exactly. That's exactly right.
I might need some stuff.
Do you do eyebrows and nose hair and ear too? I might need the whole works.
I don't have it with me.
Mm.
I don't have my wax
It's in
machine.
Nashville. Wax machine.
I have wax.
We ain't doing that. Oh, in the ears? Ooh.
Oh, yeah, it feels
Up the
good.
nose? Oh, I'm sure it feels good.
Oh, the nose is amazing.
Mm.
But you get sick afterwards.
Oh, you get sick. Yeah.
Will this one be alright?
Yeah, 'cause then you don't have anything to
I
protect.
got two, just in case,
Oh
in case you
boy.
want two.
Holy smokes! Look at all the hair.
Look at how long that ponytail is.
Oh,
I just can't cut it at the very bottom or it might be too short.
Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, I think that's done.
so you're good?
There we go.
Ready?
Oh my god! Wow! Look at that thing,
Now you're
Cheyenne.
supposed to wave it over your head.
Hey, you can hang it. You can hang it from
Hey,
your.
yeah,
You
yeah,
can hang it from the handlebars. The handlebars.
Oh, hang it from my handlebars. Yeah, baby. That's it.
We'll put some hairspray.
ADV hair.
Alright, shake.
All right, we getting close to being done, folks.
I don't like it. I never have
You
fun.
gotta love the hair in the mouth. Ooh.
If I shower again.
Woo.
You need my other one?
Chris, do you have a double A?
Yeah, we got.
Double A, triple A, quadruple A.
Guess who's back?
That's right.
Back again.
Guess who's back, baby? That's right.
Dan's back. Tell a friend.
You gonna come eyebrows?
Oh, yeah, them
Oh man, can you
Grandpa
see them
style.
nose hairs too? Little ear hair going on.
Humanity.
All right, ADV hooligans, what do y'all think? That's right, I'm back.
Oh my gosh.
That's right. Oh, Destiny. Thank you, Destiny. Yeah?
Get that
Word.
right there, Destiny. Turn around.
Uh-oh,
Turn around.
You missed something?
Oh, it might just be how it lays.
All right. Till next time. Peace.